In this video, I will walk you through the process of how to pay a check on Lloyds Bank, but first please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So without further ado, let's dive in. You can pay a check using directly the app and following this procedure. Access Lloyds application and navigate to the More section within your account. From there, opt for the deposit check feature. Input the check amount and if desired include a reference for your own record. Choose the front of check option and, if prompted, grant permission for camera access. Place the check on a level surface with a dark background. Hold your camera direct above it, ensuring it's level. Wait for a green border to appear around the check, then pause momentarily to allow the app to scan it. Next, select back of check and repeat the process, even if the black is blank. Review the provided details and proceed to confirm the deposit. Retain the physical check until the funds are available, after which you can safely dispose of it. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.